When you search for a business on Google, what's the first thing you notice? The reviews. In 2025, reviews aren't just nice compliments, they're a key ranking factor, a trust signal, and one of the best free marketing tools you can use. Customers may discover you through ads or search, but before they decide, they check what others say. Reviews influence that decision, and they also tell Google your business is active and trusted. The more recent, positive feedback you get, the more often you'll appear in local results. But here's the challenge. Most happy customers won't leave a review unless you make it simple. That's why everything starts with a verified Google business profile. Once you've claimed your profile, it becomes the hub where people can share experiences and where you can manage and respond to them. From there, it's all about removing friction. Instead of asking customers to search for your listing and click through multiple steps, create a direct review link. Shorten it, make it clean, and share it everywhere. On your website, receipts, emails, even business cards. Turning a 5-step process into one click makes people far more likely to follow through. Still, links alone aren't enough. The most powerful way to get reviews is by asking in the moment. Right after delivering a great service or product, simply say, "If you could share this experience in a quick Google review, it would mean a lot." Customers don't need to write an essay. A rating and a sentence or two is enough. When you remind them it only takes a minute, they're more willing to help. You can also build review requests into your systems. Add a reminder on your website footer, include a call to action in follow-up emails, or highlight reviews on social media and invite others to share theirs. Some businesses even hand out small cards with a QR code leading directly to their review page. These little touches keep the request natural and visible without feeling pushy. And don't forget about engagement. Responding to reviews, good or bad, shows that you value feedback. Customers notice when you thank people for kind words or handle criticism professionally. That engagement builds trust and encourages more people to leave their thoughts, knowing their voice will be heard. In the end, getting reviews isn't a one-time effort. It's about creating habits. Each review strengthens your reputation, boosts your search visibility, and helps new customers feel confident choosing you. Over time, the steady flow of feedback becomes a growth engine that costs nothing but pays back every single day. So, if you're serious about standing out in 2025, start asking, start engaging, and make the process easy. Because what your customers say about you carries more weight than anything you could say about yourself. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and share it with someone looking to grow their business online. Until next time, keep showing up, keep building trust, and keep turning great experiences into powerful reviews.